Dating apps are not failing you. They are doing exactly what they were designed to do. If you've ever wondered why you swipe for months, get a few matches, maybe one date, and then nothing. This video is going to make you uncomfortable, but it'll also make things clear. Because the problem isn't you. It's the system. If you're new here, this channel breaks down dating, attraction, and modern relationships without sugarcoating. So if you want honesty instead of feel-good advice, you're in the right place. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Dating apps are not built to help most people find love. They are built to keep most people active. Because if you find your person, you leave the app. And that's bad for business. Apps make money from time spent, not success. Swiping equals dopamine loop. Matches are the reward, not relationships. Your loneliness is a feature, not a bug. Let's talk about the part that triggers people. On most dating apps, a small percentage of users get most of the attention. The majority fight over what's left. Top profiles get endless matches. Average users get ignored or breadcrumbed. This creates false hope. Apps don't show you reality. They show you possibility, just enough to keep you swiping. Why most people feel worse after using apps? Dating apps quietly damage people in 3 ways. 1. They distort self-worth. No matches equals, something must be wrong with me. 2. They kill patience. Too many options equals no one feels special. 3. They reward surface-level attraction. Photos, presence. Looks, energy. Algorithms, chemistry. In real life, attraction is dynamic. On apps, it's frozen in pixels. Who dating apps actually work for? Now let's be fair, dating apps do work. They work if you're highly photogenic. You already get attention offline. You know how to game the system. You're emotionally detached from outcomes. But if you're looking for validation, connection, or confidence, apps will drain you. The strategy most people miss. So here's the unpopular advice. Dating apps should be a tool, not your main plan. Used intentionally, not emotionally. Secondary to real-life social skills. Rules. Limit usage. No mindless swiping. Don't tie self-worth to matches. Build attraction offline first. The strongest people don't need apps, they use them optionally. So are dating apps worth it? Yes, if you understand the game. No, if you think the game is fair. The moment you stop expecting apps to save you, you regain control. If this video made you uncomfortable, subscribe, we tell the truth here. Comment below, are dating apps helping or hurting dating? Share this with someone who's still blaming themselves.